Your Galaxy's adaptive clock is on the fritz. You're not alone. Many Samsung users are facing the same issue with this visually captivating feature. But here's the good news, Samsung has a simple solution to get your clock ticking again. The adaptive clock, a highlight of One UI 8, has been a hit for its ability to seamlessly integrate the lock screen clock with your wallpaper's subject. However, some users have reported that it's not functioning as expected. It might fail to detect humans or pets and awkwardly overlap their faces rather than gracefully following their contours. But here's where it gets controversial. The issue seems to have arisen after a recent update, and the fix? Well, it's a bit of a surprise. Samsung suggests updating the LockStar module in Good Lock to the latest version, which is v7.0.01.10. This solution is intriguing because the adaptive clock is a native feature in One UI 8 and should function independently of LockStar. However, updating LockStar not only resolves the issue but also unlocks a treasure trove of customization options for your lock screen, making it a worthwhile endeavor. You can update the module through the Good Lock app or the Galaxy Store, although the latter currently lists an older version. So, if you're facing this glitch, give the update a try and see your adaptive clock spring back to life. Have you encountered this issue with your adaptive clock? Did the update fix it for you? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Remember, your input helps the community and Samsung improve the user experience.